Thank you for using the Academic Referral Form to refer a student for academic assistance to the WOLAC Learning Center. To access the form, go into your Brightspace course and at the top on the navigation bar, click on Academic Support. From there, you'll click on Refer a Student, which will bring you right to the Academic Referral Form. Select your name in alphabetical order by first initial. I'm going to select myself, so I'll scroll down a little bit. And then the course which you would like to refer for. On the next page, you'll type the student name, the ID number if you know it. If you don't know it, that's totally fine. And then select all the reasons why you'd like to refer the student. So habits of work, low test scores, I'm going to say missed homework assignments. Any other information that you think would be helpful for us, please type it here. If you don't have any other information, you'd just like to click the boxes above, that's okay. Click Next, and you're all set. Within 2 business days, someone from the Learning Center will reach out to the student about the referral, and they will copy you on that email. If you have any questions or concerns or would like to learn more about the referral process, please contact us at WOLAC Learning Center at SNHU.edu, or feel free to stop by. We're on the 2nd floor of the library.